From composing music to performing on stage to directing and acting in films, Dera Sacha Sauda chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim has already been more than just a spiritual guru. Now the controversial self-styled godman has taken on yoga guru Baba Ramdev in his latest business venture.
Controversial self-styled godman Gurmeet Ram Rahim making his foray into business with the launch of MSG product line. Spiritual guru turned performer turned filmmaker, the Dera chief's entry into products business is being seen as competition to the Patanjali products owned by yoga guru Baba Ramdev, and this setting the stage for noodles war.
शुरुआत में पूरे इंडिया में सबसे पहले नॉर्थ इंडिया में शुरुआत हो रही है, लेकिन पूरे इंडिया में महानगरों में हर जगह इसका विस्तार किया जा रहा है। हम किसी के प्रोडक्ट पिछाड़ने के लिए नहीं आए, बल्कि समाज को प्योर खाने पीने का सामान देने आए।
Taking cue from Ramdev, Gurmeet Ram Rahim will be the ambassador for MSG line of products.
MSG brand वाले.
But food experts are skeptical about the entry of such new products into the market.
There are a lot of issues with respect to safety. There are issues with respect to quality. So what a food product can be safe, but it may not have good quality, or it may be quality, but it cannot be safe also. There are lots of food products which are being endorsed by celebrities, which may not be of good quality in terms of nutrition, in terms of quality and safety, which are a big concern for the consumer.
As noodle wars escalate between the Babas, the consumers seem divided over the products.
You would want to try like a Baba Ramdev noodle.
Yeah, we have to try it out.
You try.
Since they say desi, just try it and then come for conclusion.
I would obviously prefer Maggie and let others do what they're doing rather than getting into new, new business and increasing their income.
मैं रामदेव का प्रोडक्ट ले रहा हूँ, वो इसलिए ले रहा हूँ कि इससे बॉडी का इम्यूनिटी बैलेंस रहता है।
ये बाबा रामदेव का प्रोडक्ट मैं प्रेफर करूँगी, क्योंकि ये हमें इतना पता है कि आयुर्वेदिक है, खुद रामदेव जी ने बनवाया हुआ है.
You won't go to other brands like what Baba Ramdev or Ram Rahim is.
We don't mind trying it. We don't mind trying it.
I've been having it since my childhood, so it doesn't matter what other brands come up. Maggie is Maggie.
Spiritual gurus turning into entrepreneurs. The trend is fast catching up. But should spiritual leaders use their clout on the society for business interests? Bureau Report, Times Now.